Okay guys, so this is the Gamo Whisper Silent Cat, and I pay about like $150 for this gun. 150. And this is a scope. It comes by 4x32. It's a really good scope for 25 yards. And this is the gun, and this is the box that it comes with. I ordered this on Amazon. It's really good. But this is the gun right here. Let me show you this. Comes in a cheap piece, and it's silent, sir. And it shoots up to 1250 with PBA Platinum. Yeah, by Gamo. So this is the sight. Right in front there too. So it's a really good gun. The trigger is this is fire, and safety's in, the fire is pushed out. And the trigger is really good. Well, the trigger is plastic. A really good plastic though. But you can make it shoot soft by tightening it or screwing it out, forget, or slack. And yeah, it's a good gun. And these are the pellet that I buy with it. These are the PVA Raptor. This one right here, and this is a rocket. I pay like $6 for this, and like $10 for this one. So $16 for everything. So yeah, that's the Gamo Silent Cat. It shoots up to 1250 feet, but not directly 1250 feet. It shoots like 1100 feet per second with PBA Platinum, and with these it might shoot like 980 around those. Yeah, this is a very good gun. I'll make the next video with it when I'm gonna shoot it. Yeah, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Yeah, bye.